Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRain 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to wirelessly charge your Samsung Galaxy A20. Of course, for demonstration purposes, we have an A20 here, and we have our Samsung fast wireless charging pad. Now, if you didn't know it, the A20 doesn't have wireless charge. And just to show you, we're going to put it on the charging pad here. And if it had the ability to wireless charge, that would be a little blue light come on right here on the pad. So as you can see, it's not capable of wirelessly charging. So what we want to do, we want to show you a little hack on how to do that. What we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and turn our device off real quick and set it there. And so the hack that we're going to do to make this able to wireless charge is we want to use these what is called magic tags. It's a wireless charging receiver. Let me turn that off. And this is a wireless charge receiver. Now, if you're interested in this, we will leave a link for it down in the description area. And as you can see too, with the Galaxy A20, it has a different charging port, which is Type-C. So, like we said, we will leave a link for this down in the description area. And be sure to get the Type-C to work with your A20. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take it out and take a look. We're going to pull it out real quick and let you see what it looks like. And this is what the wireless charging receiver looks like. Just a little pad and a little ribbon with a piece here, which is the USB-C type pin that goes into the charging port. So we're going to set that down for a minute. We're going to grab our A20. We're going to pull the case off real quick. Now that we have the case off, we're going to go back and grab our wireless charging receiver here. And the way it would go is it goes in here kind of like backwards or toward the bottom. So you push it in there and it slides into your charging port. And this has a piece of adhesive on the bottom in case you want to stick it to it, or you can just let it hang loose there. But then grab your case and slip it into your case. And now that we got it in, you can see it fits very nicely. You got the charging port pin that stuck in there, and the pad is inside the case here. So it looks really nice. So now comes the moment of truth to see if our Galaxy A20 will now charge on our Samsung fast wireless charging pad. And so when we set that on there, as you can see, the light automatically came on, the blue light indicator on the charging pad. And if you notice, the phone lit up even though it's off. So that's about it for our video for today. How to wirelessly charge your Galaxy A20. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And be sure to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. Again, this is Melvin with TechRain 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.